fly through the sky in ways that seems impossible. We never lost our passion for flying, and with the DJI FPV, those positions have turned imagination into reality. With this immersive and intuitive aerial platform, get ready to go into the beyond. Hi, welcome my friend. In the box, DJI FPV Drone 1, Intelligent Flight Battery 1, Propeller Spare 4, Gimbal Protector 1, Top Shell 1, Remote Controller 2x1, Control Sticks pair, Goggles V2 1, Goggle Antenna Dual Band 1, Goggles Battery 1, Goggles Power Cable USB-C 1, Goggles Headband 1, FPV AC Power Adapter 1, AC Power Cable 1, USB-C Data Cable 1, USB OTG Cable 1. Modes are S mode. Get the dynamic look of the FPV footage easily in S mode. This hybrid flight mode combines the freedom of flying manually with the simplified controls of the previous DJI drones. And there is the N mode, ideal for new users. N mode offers immersive flight with traditional drone flight controls along with DJI safety features like obstacle sensing. Then there is the M mode. Fly the M mode for complete limitless control and the full FPV flight experience. Customize parameters and enjoy flight and footage unlike anything else. The DJI Virtual Flight app allows users to practice flying in lifelike simulated scenarios before entering the real world. Simply connect the DJI FPV Goggles version 2 and the remote controller and you are ready to master the flight in a risk-free virtual environment. To get the product, you can click on the link below the video. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification button. Thank you.